Hey, what's going on, guys? Look at my face. So we're gonna give an ant mouth. So it will start 15 seconds, so it's so laggy. Okay. Oh, it's team. 4, 3, 2, 1. I love survival games. And this stuff's so sick. Okay. I'm sure this round we're gonna win. I'm gonna kill that guy. Yay! First kill, guys. First kill. We need to eat some food. There's a new guy. A blue guy. Hey, Dad. Okay. To kill that guy. No. God dang it. No, okay. Sorry. Okay, what's going on, guys? Again, we're gonna play some survival games. So we are here. Oh, it's team again. It's team. So what's my team? Oh, my team is green. So we need to win this round. Win it out. Okay, we need to kill those guys who are red and green. Please hit that like button below. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Thank you everyone for subscribing my channel. 4, 3. I'm gonna start with 1. Henry. Please, I have some just wait. Can I hit 1,000 more? So I need to kill that new guy. Kill that guy. Kill that. Savage them. It's like the moon. Yeah, kill that guy. Savage them. I will just follow. Can I kill that guy? Can I? Help me, please. Help me, there's a guy there, there's a guy. Please, can I help some? Yes, please. Okay, I will eat some. Green guy, wait for me. Please give me some chest plate. That please. Yes. My wish has been come true. I have some chest plate now. So this round we were gonna win. Okay. We're gonna win this round. Fast and quickly. I'm gonna join you now. It's like the movies in and there's a blue guy, Savage him.
Hoy, Cassandra. Ano ka, monkey?
No, we're not gonna win this round.
Doon ka matulog sa sofa kung matulog ka. Huwag dyan. Ay, naku, pag naidlip ka kaya, di hulog ka.
It's lagging.
Padaan ka.
No! Sorry. I thought we were gonna win that round. Okay, for this round we're gonna win. Winning time. Let's join this round. Okay, all just parkour skills. So we got this here, this parkour skill. We can kill them all. Remember, hit the like button below. Please subscribe. Please leave a like. Please, everything you want to comment, please leave. And please follow Sleep1314. He's my friend, and we're playing survival games. Not the survival gameplay. Like we're gonna achievement. We're gonna do the all achievements you want. So Steve Cookon Bay boy. So guess 119. Okay, we have the parkour skills here. I am the parkour king. So my idol is whoa, I'm lagging. Whoa, I'm lagging. It's like the movies in the air. So we are gonna do 2 videos. We're gonna do three. Okay guys, three videos. It's like the movies in the air. Okay. Oh, those guys are so freaking awesome. Parkour skills. Oh, give me some chest plate. Nice one. Another chest plate. So freaking awesome. Helmet. Oh, savage that guy. Savage him. Oh, this guy. Savage them all. Rolling spree. Parkour skills. Can I kill them all? Can I? Oh, that guy's a hacker. Run! That guy is a hacker, so run. You will not gonna test my parkour skills. You freaking genius. Yo. Oh yeah, I'm good. Okay. I died. Therefore, please subscribe and leave that like button below. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Oh, what is happening to me? Please subscribe to the channel. Oh, Kokombe. Hey, Kokombe. Steve, why are you flying? You're a hacker. You're a hacker. You're a hacker, Steve Cocaine Boy. Okay, I'm sure we're gonna kill that guy easily. Hey, Steve. Steve. No kids available, please. Please, no kids. Well, so this is the last round. Okay, this is the last round of my survival games. Please hit that like button below. Please leave a like. Please, if you want to say comment, please comment. Please subscribe on channel 714 because we're making Sleepy Car production. Okay. Hey, Steve boy. Steve boy. Steve. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's like the mood is in the air. Who will think I have time? Because I'm really happy. No. Okay. This is the last episode. Thank you guys for so much. Thank you guys. Hit the like button below. Thank you guys very much. Please leave a like button below. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, of course. Please leave a like to my channel. God. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe on my channel. Oh, what that guy? Oh, unbelievable guy. Okay, we're good. End this video now. Thank you very much. Thank you.